So today in this video, we are going to see about the inheritances of Java. So what is inheritance? So it is a mechanism in which one object acquires all the properties and behaviors of the parent object. So what it will do is it will just get all the behaviors of the parent object. This process is called inheritance. What is the idea behind this is we can create the new classes based on the existing classes. So that is a process behind this. Okay, here we can also call this as parent-child relationship and as ISA relationship. Okay, so the main terms that we are going to use in this inheritances are class, subclass, superclass, and reusability. So what is classes? It is nothing but a group of objects which have the common property. Likewise, it can be a template or a blueprint from which the objects can be created. So this is called class. Next one is subclass, which is also called as child class. So this is a class which will inherit the other class. That is, from the parent class, it will just get the behaviors of the parent class and it will create a new class. This is called subclass or child class. Next one is superclass, which is also called as parent class. It is a class from where the subclasses inherits the features. That is, this is the base class. Okay. So from this base class, we are inheriting the properties to the child class. Okay. Next one is reusability. What is a reusability over here is we can just get the classes whichever has been existing in the program when we are creating a new one. So we can reuse the classes again and again. So these are all the main terms that we are going to see in the inheritances. We have 5 types of inheritances. One is single, where it is a single class which inherits from the other class. So this is called single inheritance. Next one is multi-level. Here we will have chain of inheritances, which is called as multi-level. Next one is hierarchical, where 2 or more classes will inherit from a single class. Okay. So multiple is nothing but it will just get the 2 or more classes from 2 or more parent classes. But here we are not going to use this multiple and hybrid because it will increase the complexity or it will not simplify the language. So it will increase the complexity of the program Java. So we are not going to use multiple and hybrid. We will be using only single, multi-level and hierarchical. Hope you are clear with all these things. So now let's see an example of inheritance and the terms that we are using in this inheritance. Okay. So I'm just assigning a class named employee and I'm assigning float as a value and salary is equivalent to 40,000. Okay. So here we are going to consider an employee salary. Okay. So this is a programmer inheritance employee program. Okay. Next one is assigning the programmer as a class which extends employee. Okay. So here I am assigning integer value as bonus that is equivalent to 10,000. Okay. So I have to assign the public static void main string args So here what I'm going to do is I'm just getting the value as programmer as P is equivalent to new programmer value. Okay. And again, I'm just typing the output statements. System.out.println. So programmer salary is. So this is the basic program that we are typing. So here which value it is supposed to get is, it should get the value of p dot salary. Okay, fine. So I'm just closing all the loops and saving the program. Okay. So here in this program, this employee is the super class. Okay. So which is the parent class, and this programmer is the subclass. Okay. Here for this employee, I'm just assigning the salary as 40,000, which is the main class. So we can get it from the parent class to the base class. Okay. Next one is this programmer is a type of an employee. Okay. This programmer is nothing but the type of an employee, so that it will just get the behaviors of this parent class. This is the example for the inheritance program. Clear? We'll see the better examples in the next class. Hope you are clear with this. Thank you.